The correct way to sharpen a paper cutter. Remove the screws of the steel cutter from its base. Remove the screws securing the steel cutter to the base. Separate the upper and lower blades, along with the spring, nut, bolt, and paper presser. First, we sharpen the lower part of the cutting blade. Remember to sharpen the blade on the side of the disc grinder. Ensure a consistent angle for optimal cutting performance. Apply a little oil to prevent damage the metal from friction or heating. Next, we sharpen the upper part of the cutting blade. Reassemble the disassembled parts, including the two cutters, nut, bolt, spring, and paper presser. Wipe the blade cutter with tissue paper to remove any excess oil. Reattach the assembled blades to the base. Let's try cutting a paper. Wow, our paper cutter is now very sharp.